Welcome to Python for Introductory Statistics. In this video, you will learn how to make an Ogive, which is cumulative frequency graph. So let's open an example. We'll continue the same example. The data here, data set listed here is the US Senators' age. So they're 81, 81, and it's listed all the way here. And now we'll use this data to make an Ogive. For this, we will need to copy a function that's already prepared for us. So let's go back to our data here, to our manual here, and we'll scroll down and go to uh, chapter 5, section 4, histograms, polygon, and ogive. So we've done polygon, so now we'll need to do an ogive. And the function is right here. So for ogive, we need to copy this function that's already made for us. So we'll copy this function right here, and we'll paste it into our Google Colab here. I'm going to make a new code and paste it here. And let's run it to make sure that things are copied and pasted properly. If not, so it says it's good. So this will help us make an ogive. It's a long line of code, so that's why we'll just copy and paste it here and then call this function ogive. X is the data set and n is the number of classes. Now the data set is the same data here, so let's copy the data set here, and we'll use, as usual, the letter X to represent the data set. So X is equal to, and open bracket, and we're going to paste it here, Control V. Now we have our input X ready, and we're told to make 5 classes. So let's call this function, it's called ogive. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this because Google Colab already, because we ran the code, it already remembers the name of the function. And the first variable is still X. We could have chosen Y, any letter is fine. It's just where the data is. And then, but we need N, which is the number of classes, is 5. And now when we run this program here, it is, so it shows us this line here is what we call an ogive, and it's based on the lower class boundaries for each class. And it also includes the histogram as well. So you have a relative way of comparing. This is the histogram, and this line plot here is called an ogive.